To turn on Google Translate on your iPhone, start by opening the App Store and searching for Google Translate. If you already have the app installed, proceed to the next step. If not, download and install the Google Translate app. Once the app is installed, locate it on your home screen and tap to open it. You will be prompted to allow Google Translate to access your microphone and camera. Grant these permissions to enable the app's full functionality. After granting permissions, you will see the Google Translate home screen. Tap on the language you want to translate from into. You can choose from over 100 languages, including popular ones like Spanish, French, and Chinese. To use the translation feature, tap on the text input field at the top of the screen and type the text you want to translate. Alternatively, you can use the camera to translate text from images or the conversation mode to translate spoken language in real time. For example, if you want to translate a sign from English to Spanish, open the camera mode and point your camera at the sign. Google Translate will automatically detect the text and translate it into Spanish. To use the conversation mode, tap on the conversation icon and select the languages you want to translate. This mode allows you to have a conversation with someone who speaks a different language. With Google Translate providing real-time translations, best practices for using Google Translate on your iPhone include ensuring you have a stable internet connection, speaking clearly when using the conversation mode, and using the camera mode in well-lit environments. This will help you get the most accurate translations and make the most out of the app. By following these steps and tips, you can effectively use Google Translate on your iPhone to communicate across languages and break language barriers. The app is free, easy to use, and provides a wide range of features to help you navigate language differences.